Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about first Star Wars Outlaws advanced slicing practice bugs, or maybe you could be facing so many issues here, right? So how we can fix this up? So the very common bug and fixes here the reload checkpoint, and this happens in the Outlaws. Right, so how you can fix this? So if you're experiencing glitches during the quest, try reloading your last checkpoint. I don't know, sometimes the website doesn't work, I don't know. Okay, it's fine now. This method has been noted to resolve some bug temporarily, allowing players to continue their progress. And of course, this is the latest game from the Ubisoft. Of course, they're working on it, and they will pretty sure they will fix this issue. Now, the universal best solution is that restart your game. Simply restart the game. Just go to the task manager, right? So this is a task manager here. Now the game is on, right click on it and just go and click on end task, and it will game will shut down instantly and you can just restart your game. Now engage with community forums such as the those on the reddits and games faq can provide additional insight and personal experience from other players who have faced similar issues, and you can just read those additional resources and it will help you to fix might you will face some of the issues when you just advance more into the game, right? So thanks for it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.